Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are back for literacy. This is day 5, learning about the last letter of the alphabet, Z or Z. Z. So we're going to create our info board, and this is it. I am so proud of you. We've got there. This is the last letter for our alphabet. So for the single sounds in the alphabet. And we're going to put that uppercase Z and the lowercase Z in the middle. There it is. So after watching ABC Mouse, did we think of some fun things that start with Z? I know an animal that I'm going to try to draw. Zebra. A zebra. Yeah. I'm going to get to drawing that a little later. What else? Buzz. I might be able to draw another B. Buzz. I might draw a B there. What else can we come up with? I know. Zipper. Zipper. There's my zipper, and there's the toggle at the end. All right, see if you can brainstorm a couple of more, and make sure you add a picture and make your Z info board super colorful and interesting. Speaking of zippers, putting up your own coat, doing up your zipper, zip, is hard to do sometimes. So grab some articles of clothing that have zippers. Talk about different kinds of zippers. Some have metal teeth. We can talk about teeth in a zipper, plastic teeth. And this is a great opportunity for your little learner to practice zipping up their zipper. Yeah, so this is a great little segue into learning how to zip up things themselves. You could have zippers on mittens, zippers that you brought in. Go and look at their coats, see if they can start practicing up their zipper. Zip it up today. I love it. And then we are going to watch a video called Animals in Winter just to make sure that we know everything we need to know about animals in winter time. So have fun zipping up your zippers, practicing doing that, being part of the zipper club so you can do it, and then watching that Animals in Winter. Wonder what we're going to find out this time. And just like yesterday, how we talked about hibernation, maybe you could keep going and building your den or your nest or creating all different animals that we see out in winter. So judging by the interest of your little learner or your class, pick an animal and create it, whether it's through Play-Doh, through clay, through cutouts, through drawing. I'm actually going to attach a video on how to draw a snowy owl. So that's going to be an extension activity about animals in winter as well. All right, have a beautiful time drawing your snowy owls and practicing your zippers, and I will see you soon. Bye.